Bee burst into the classroom. Her classmates were already split into groups. They were about to get started. "Oh no," said Bee. "Am I too late?" Bee's teacher Duo hurried across the room. Duo told Bee she wasn't late. There was one more student who needed a partner. It was Bee's friend Zari.
All right,
Zari cheered. She gave Bee a high five.
Duo saved the best group for last. Our volcano is going to be epic.
Bee smiled, but she wasn't so sure. She wanted the volcano to look real, and Zari's ideas were not always realistic. Bee and Zari slid their goggles down. Bee started by molding some clay into the shape of a volcano. It looked great at first.
But then Zari said, "Don't forget about the giant face."
Bee stopped. "The giant what?"
"The giant face," said Zari. Volcano Face wouldn't be Volcano Face without her giant face.
Bee sighed. A face isn't very realistic.
Oh, and instead of shooting out lava, Volcano Face should shoot gooey green slime, Zari continued.
"Look, Zari, these are fun ideas," said Bee, "but they're not realistic. Real volcanoes don't have faces. They erupt and spew lava, not slime."
"I see," said Zari. "Then our volcano will spew glittery lava." Before Bee could stop her, Zari poured a mixture into the volcano.
It looked like glittery goo.
A little dish soap, a little vinegar, and lots of glitter.
Zari reached for a spoon.
"Now I'll add a little baking soda to make this volcano erupt."
But enough was enough. Bee grabbed the spoon from Zari. "No," said Bee. "Glittery lava is not realistic." "But it's fun," Zari replied.
"What's going on here?" Duo asked as he walked over.
Zari tried to pull back the spoon. Instead, she knocked over the box of baking soda. The entire box of baking soda went into the volcano. The volcano started to rumble. Bee turned to Zari. Zari?" she said. "Yeah?" said Zari. "Take cover!" Bee shouted. She and Zari dove under a desk.
Boom!
The entire volcano exploded. Glittery goo went all over the room and all over Duo. "Sorry, Duo," said Bee. She looked around the room. "You know what, Zari? That was a pretty good eruption. Nice work."
"Thanks," said Zari. "Now we have the sparkliest classroom in school and the coolest teacher."